In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in Microsoft Teams Essentials. Whether you're organizing a project, managing a department, or just bringing people together for a collaborative effort, setting up a team in this platform is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your team's communication and efficiency. Let's walk through the steps you need to get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams on your device. Make sure you have the application downloaded and that you're signed in to your account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different icons, and from there, you'll want to click on the People icon, which represents Teams. This icon is your gateway to all things related to team organization within the app. Upon clicking, you'll see a list of any existing teams you might already be part of. If you're starting fresh, look for the option that says Join or Create Your Own. This is usually found at the bottom of your teams list, giving you just the nudge you need to start creating something brand new. Next, go ahead and click Join or Create a Team, and then select Create Team. You'll be presented with different starting points for your team. If you have a clear idea of what you want, you might want to select Create My Own. Alternatively, if you need a little inspiration or a pre-made structure to guide your setup, you can choose Start with a Template. This can be particularly helpful if you're unsure where to start or if you're aiming to set up a common department like HR or sales with predefined settings. Now let's get your team named and described. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your team. This could be something like Marketing or Project Alpha, whatever suits your purpose. Along with the team name, there's an option to add a description. Think of this as your opportunity to outline the team's purpose or the key objectives, providing new members clarity right from the start. Once you've filled these in, click Create to finalize the basic setup. The last step is adding members to your team. Here, you can type in the names, email addresses, or even add entire groups. This is your chance to bring on board those collaborators who will help drive your team's mission forward. Simply type in the necessary information and add your team members one by one. And there you have it, a newly created team within Microsoft Teams Essentials, ready to embark on collaborative projects and seamless communication. Remember, structuring your team effectively at the start lays a solid foundation for future success and productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these instructions helpful as you work within Microsoft Teams.